Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today let's learn how you can fix unable to log into your Roblox account. So first thing first, you have to launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in roblox.com/support. Once you do so, you will see a contact us form. In here, type in your username. Even though it says optional, I suggest you to type your Roblox username. Once done, type in the first and email address. Confirm your email address under device type. Choose Mac, PC, or iPhone, whatever you would like. Under type of help category, if you see anything related with login, tap onto it, or else you can simply go ahead, tap on account hacked or can't log in. Under help subcategory, tap on account hacked as well. And once it is so, under please describe your issue, make sure that you type in your issue very descriptively. Mention what happened with your account that you cannot log in. And likewise, once done, tap continue. Now all you have to do is wait for a couple business days, or it might also take a couple hours depending upon your issue. They will email you back on the email address that you have mentioned. Just follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix your problem.